can't edit a PDF on your iPhone? You tap the text, you try to copy it, but nothing happens. That's because your PDF is not real text. It's just a scanned image. Many PDF are actually scanned documents. This means the text inside them is not digitally created. It is simply a picture of text. Because of that, your iPhone cannot recognize it as editable content. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem using a powerful OCR tool that works on both Mac and Windows. Let's fix it right now. Now, I will introducing the best tool right now, that is Tenorshare PDNob PDF Editor. Tenorshare PDNob is one of the best PDF editing solutions available today. It's a powerful all-in-one PDF editor, OCR converter, and document productivity tool that works on Windows, Mac, and even iOS devices. Tenorshare PDNob is professional PDF software designed to help you do more than just view files. With PDNob, you can edit text, modify images, add or remove watermarks, insert links, and change backgrounds, all without changing the original format. But the real strength of PDNob is its OCR technology. You need a tool that can turn scanned text into real text. That's where Tenorshare PDNob comes in. Now, let's test PDNob. Download and install PDNob on your computer. It is available on Windows and Mac. Then open PDNob on your computer. You're now ready to edit your PDF. If your PDF already contains real text, here's how to edit it. Now, click Open PDF. If you want to direct edit a OCR, you can click the OCR PDF button. Then select the desired files from your computer, then click Open to load them into PDNob. Then click Perform OCR. Click the Download button to download the OCR functionality if prompted. A settings window will appear. Choose the OCR mode based on your needs. You can select Scan to editable text or Scan to searchable text in image. After selecting the appropriate option, click Perform OCR to begin text recognition. After a CR is complete, the recognized text becomes searchable and copyable. When Scan to editable text is selected, you can edit the text directly in the PDF. Now, click directly on the text you want to change. You can delete, add new text, change font size, change font style, adjust alignment, and many more. It works just like editing a Word document. OCR in Tenorshare PDNob can transform scanned documents into fully editable files, allowing you to edit existing text, add new paragraphs, delete unwanted content, correct mistakes, change fonts and formatting, insert or replace images, remove or add watermarks, adjust layout elements, add links, and even reorganize sections, turning what was once just a static image-based PDF into a flexible, searchable, and completely customizable document. In addition, you can use the built-in AI chat assistant powered by ChatGPT and DeepSeek to summarize long documents, answer questions about the content, extract key information, and generate or rewrite text directly inside your PDF, making document editing faster and smarter than ever. It also supports powerful format conversion, letting you convert PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other formats without losing layout or formatting. If you want, you can also convert this PDF to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. The layout and formatting stay intact. iPhone alone cannot fix scanned PDFs because it lacks powerful OCR and real editing tools. Tenorshare PDNob fills that gap perfectly. So if you can't edit a PDF on your iPhone, it's most likely a scanned document. Tenorshare PDNob fixes this with powerful OCR advanced editing tools and built-in AI features. It works on Windows and Mac with no watermarks and professional results. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Check the link in the description to download Tenorshare PDNob. See you in the next tutorial.